Turning the engine 1N 423. Turning good. And the front engines looks good as you can see. Compressor look nice. We can sell an altimeter without any damage. And on this side everything's good. Starter not broken. Gearbox look nice as you can see. And on this side everything's good. We can sell on the engine's turbo. Turn, not going up and down. And on the top everything's good. On the bottom oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning the engine 1N 423.